Hello everyone, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in a Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Electronic Engineering Material, that is 22217, is a subject code of the department Electronics and Telecommunication of the same second same. Unit 5, that is microelectronic components and the special materials. In a previous video we done with the micromotors and its types, and in this video we will complete this chapter by finishing the relays, what is the types of relays and switches. Okay, let's see. So relays is a component which use an electromagnetic effect for its operation, and it consists of one or more coils, movable parts, and a set of open and close contacts. So these contacts are opened or closed with the help of electromagnetic effect. So the coils and the contacts are isolated from each other. So different types of relays available in the markets are: first is the general purpose relay, second is the dry reed relay, third one diaphragm relay, fourth plunger type relay, fifth is hinged armature type relay, and sixth is micro relay. So first is general purpose relay. So this photo gives you idea about the relay. So these nothing but the it is based on the control relays. These are the control relays, and it is based on contacts, then without contacts, and hybrid relays. So first we go for the general purpose relay. So general purpose relay is consist of a movable armature coil and a armature return spring and a pair of NO and NC contacts. The coil is to be connected across the specified DC voltage when we want to energize the relay. When the external DC voltage is supplied to the coil is zero, the relay is in the unenergized mode. The movable armature is held in its testing position by the armature return spring. The armature acts as a movable contact. In the testing position, the armature is in connection with the upper contact, which is called as the normally closed, that is NC contact. The lower contact, which remain open in the resting position, is called as the normally open, that is NO contact. So when a rated external DC voltage, that is voltage is in the range of 3, 6, 9, then 12, 18 volts, etc., is applied to the relay coil, current starts flowing through it, and this will magnetize the coil core, which will attract the movable armature. Due to this movement, the armature now gets connected to the lower contact and gets disconnected from the upper contact. Thus the normally open contact now becomes a close, and the normally closed contact now becomes a open when the relay coil is energized. So the current carrying capacity of the coil is low, that is few of milliampere, but the current rating and the voltage rating of the contacts is much higher, typically 230 volts to 5 ampere. These contacts are used to make or break electrical circuits, and relays are used throughout the automobiles. Relays are available in the different sizes, ratings, and are as used as a remote control switches. A typical vehicle can have as many as 20 relays. Okay. After that, some micro relays are present. So some micro relays are ideal for a use where the available spaces are limited. So the following versions of the micro relays are the relay without mounting brackets and relay with the mounting brackets. Okay. So some requirements for that micro relays, they must switch higher power, then they should have a high efficiency and reliability, then broad temperature range, it should be extremely resistant to vibrations, and long service life, and it should be climate proof. Okay. So this is the relays with the contacts. So first is the relay with the contacts. As the name indicates, these relays have a contacts and use an electromagnetic operation to mechanically open and close these contacts to transmit and cut the signal, okay, current and or voltages. So relays without a contact, these relays do not have a mechanical moving part that the relays with the contacts do. Instead they are made up of internal tracks, resistors or other semiconductors and electronic parts that transmit and cut the signals or power electronically by the operation of these electronic circuits. After that, the relays without contacts are not included in this technical guide. So hybrid relays means what? It with contact and without contact, both are the combination present here. So hybrid relays are the combination of the based of the both relays with the contacts and without contacts. So semiconductor elements transmit and cut the signals or power, and contacts are used to supply the power for the relays. Then second is based on the structure. Classification is based on the structure. So hinge relay with a hinge relay, the armature of the electromagnet rotates around a fulcrum, and these action directly or indirectly opens and closes the contact of contacts. So this is nothing but the hinge. This is nothing but the hinge, and these hinge rotate these contacts, okay. So A and B are the contacts. Now A contact is open and B is closed. Again, when this hinge is lift to downward direction, then B contact is open and A is closed, like this. So plunger relays. Plunger relays are used mainly the power of the plunger shape electromagnet as the armature section to open and close the contacts. It is plunger type relay because it is dependent on the structure. The classification by this its structure. So it is hinge type relay and plunger type relay. Okay. After that, the reed relays. Reed relays consist of a pair of magnetic strips sealed within a glass envelope, and these reeds are the contacts. Magnetic flux applied to the coil wrap around the glass envelope move these reeds, which opens and closes the contacts. After that, the classification by its function. So it is single side, double side relays, latching relays, that is nothing but bistable relay. So the contact turns on and off only while an input signal is received. Single side strobe relay have no other special function in their operation element. This is the single stripe row, means single slide row means only the one movable device, okay, one movable material or one movable part. Latching relay, that is nothing but the bistable relay. The contact turns, that is on and off, when an input signal is received and maintains that status even if the input signal is out. This is nothing but the latching type relay. Next is the switches. Before that, some importance of the means some important applications of the relays are what? It is for we use for this wiper motor, then fan motors for horns. After that, headlamps, automatic sliding doors, then battery chargers, vending machines, and security systems. In all of these application we use the relays. After that, switches, an electromechanical device used to connect or disconnect a circuit as known as the switch. The moving parts of the switch used to connect or disconnect a circuit is called as a pole, that is moving part is called as port, and the contact of the switch alternately connects and disconnects a circuit is called as single throw type switch. So what is mean by switches? A switches is a mechanical device used to connect and disconnect a circuit as and when required. So a variety of switches are available for from a means a minimum application to the industrial application. So switching megawatts of a power on a high voltage distribution lines in a applications where a multiple switching is required to be done, example telephone service, electronic switching devices which can be automated and intelligently controlled are preferred over a mechanical switches. In the simplest possible design, a switch has two pieces of metal called as contacts and that touch to make a circuit and a separate to break the circuit. The contact material is chosen on the basis of their resistance to corrosion. Then, because most metals, when exposed to air, form insulating oxides that would prevent the switch from breaking or working. So, contact materials are also chosen on the basis of characteristics such as electrical conductivity, then hardness, mechanical strength, and low cost and low toxicity. Sometimes the contacts are plated with noble metals. They may be designed to wipe against each other to clean off any contamination. So, non metallic conductors such as a conductive plastic are sometimes used. The moving parts that applies the operating force to the contacts is called as the actuators and maybe a toggle or dolly, a rocker, a push button, any type of mechanical linkage as well we will use. So a pair of contact is said to be close when there is a no space between them, and this would allow a current to flow from one contact to the another contact. When the contacts are separated by an air gap, then it is said to be an open, and no electrical current can flow at the normal operating voltage also. So some type of switches are the circuit breakers, then mercury switches, after that wall switches, miniature toggle switch, then push button switch. Some special type of switches are also there, but the switches are classified into one-way switch, two-way switch, three-way switch, and four-way switch. So this is the for a one-way switch and two-way switch. Special types switches can be designed to operate on the basis of any type of mechanical stimulus. For example, vibration, tilt, air pressure, then fluid level, the turning of the key, then linear or a rotary movement, or the presence of the magnetic field. So changeover switch is what a switch with both types of the contact is called as changeover switch. So make before break switch contact, whereas the switches having a spring loaded action are break before make contact. So some of the toggle switches, that is SPST, then DPST toggle switch. So the toggle switch is type of a electrical switch that is manually actuated by a mechanical lever, handle, or a rocking mechanism. Toggle switches are available in a different types and sizes. Then the word toggle explains the type of mechanism or a joint that consists of two arms, which are almost in a line with each other, then connected with a elbow-like pivot. But a toggle switch is a short handle and a positive snap action switch, no matter whether it contains the toggle mechanism or not. So types is what the types of toggle switch on the basis of their constructions are as follows. On off switch, that is nothing of a SPST, that is a single pole and single through. Then DPDT is double pole and double through. Then DPST double through, double pole single through. The moving contact of the switch is called as a pole and non-moving contact is called as a through. So the symbol on off, then SPST, SPDT. Okay, how we can show that SPDT and SPST, then okay, if you have to see here single pole, so here this is only one movable contact which will move into that direction and into this direction. So only a one move contact, so it is called as single pole, and only a one non moving contact here, So it is called as a single through. If here we show, then here two moving contacts are there, that is first this and second is this. So here double pole, and single through because here only one uh, non-moving contact is there, so it is called as single through. Okay, if you see the single pole double through, then how we will discuss single through, double single pole and double through, like this. Okay, so here if you see here, this is the one movable part, so it is called as a single through, single pole, sorry. And here if you see, there are two contacts, first this and second one this. So these will move in that direction also and in this direction also. So there are two through. So here two non-moving contacts, so it is double through. So here single pole double through. Okay, this is called as single pole double through. Okay, after that micro switches. These switches are also known as limit switches, used for a safety purpose, and it determines the presence and absence of the positioning, passing and travel of the object. It is electromechanical device, consists of actuators mechanically linked to set the contacts. Some some features of the micro switch is a widely variety of actuators, then high precision, high braking capacity, that is typically 15 ampere. After that, wide operating speed range, and can operate on AC and DC. So like this. So here we will complete our chapter number 5, that is microelectronic components and special materials. Thank you.